Imagine this. You just graduated and land your first job in tech. Your friends ask,
So, are you a software engineer or a software developer?
and you freeze.
Both? Neither? What's the difference anyway?
All right, so you've got two job titles that sound equally cool, right? But what do they actually mean? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible.
Yeah, and why does it even matter? I mean, aren't they the same thing?
Not quite. Let me explain it in the simplest way. Picture a cricket team.
Oh, I love cricket. Go on.
The software engineer is like the coach. They plan the strategies, set the field, and think about the team's long-term performance. Meanwhile, the software developer is the player, the one hitting sixes, taking wickets, and winning the game.
Ah, so one does the planning and the other does the action.
Exactly. One designs the blueprint, the other builds the masterpiece. Both are essential. Still with me?
Totally. Let's break it down further.
All right, here's how their roles look in the real world. Let's say you're building a food delivery app like Swiggy or Zomato.
Okay, I'm imagining biryani in my cart already.
Perfect. The software engineer asks questions like, how do we handle 10 million users without the app crashing? What happens if a restaurant is closed? How does the app manage that? How do we design the back end so it's scalable for the future?
So they think about the big picture, right?
Spot on. Now the software developer focuses on the visible stuff, like creating the cart system where you add your biryani and gulab jamun, integrating the payment gateway so you can pay smoothly, designing that sleek user interface that makes you say, wow, this app looks amazing.
Ah, so developers are the ones making it user-friendly while engineers are working behind the scenes.
Exactly. Engineers ensure the structure is solid, while developers make it functional and pretty.
But isn't it true that engineers are considered smarter than developers?
Big myth. Both roles are challenging in their own ways. Here's a fun example. The engineer says,
Let's build an AI system that predicts traffic in real time.
and the developer goes,
Cool story, bro. But can we make the login page work first?
Okay, that's a good one.
it's this constant tug of war between ambition and practicality. Both are necessary, and they complement each other perfectly.
So how do I know which role suits me?
So let's talk about the skills they need. For software engineers, it's all about system design to make things scalable, algorithms and data structures to solve problems efficiently, and infrastructure knowledge, think cloud platforms, databases, and networking.
Okay, but what about developers?
For software developers, the focus is more on programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or Java, frameworks like React or Django to build stuff faster, and of course, debugging skills to fix those pesky bugs.
Makes sense. So engineers plan the big picture and developers handle the details?
Exactly. If you love designing systems and thinking about the big picture, engineering's your thing. But if you enjoy building features and seeing them come to life, development might be the perfect fit for you.
I get it now. Both are crucial, and it really depends on what you love doing. And hey, if you're a smart guy or want to become one, hit that subscribe button. No exams, just fun, practical knowledge.